Structured water is water that has been reorganized at a molecular level to create a more organized and stable form. It is believed to have various benefits such as improved hydration, better nutrient absorption, and increased energy levels. By experiencing structured water, individuals can support their overall health and wellness by providing their bodies with water that is more easily recognized and utilized. It is essential to understand the significance of structured water in promoting optimal bodily functions and maintaining a healthy balance. Drinking structured water daily can be easily incorporated into your routine by using devices like structuring units or water pitchers. These simple methods help in reorganizing the water molecules for better absorption by the body. Consuming structured water may lead to potential health benefits such as improved digestion, enhanced detoxification, and increased vitality. By making structured water a part of your daily hydration, you can support your overall well-being and promote a healthier lifestyle. Showering with structured water offers various benefits such as improved hydration and skin nourishment. The structured water molecules are believed to be more readily absorbed by the skin, leading to enhanced moisture retention and overall skin health. Additionally, using structured water for showering can contribute to healthier hair by reducing the potential damage caused by hard water minerals. Embracing structured water for your bathing routine may result in softer skin, shinier hair, and a more refreshing shower experience. Cooking with structured water can elevate the flavors of your dishes as the enhanced molecular structure is believed to make ingredients more vibrant and tasty. By using structured water in cooking, you may notice an improvement in the overall taste and quality of your meals. To maximize the benefits of structured water in cooking, consider incorporating it into various recipes such as soups, stews, and beverages. Exploring different cooking methods with structured water can unlock a new dimension of culinary experiences and help you appreciate the essence of using high-quality water in the kitchen. Structured water can have positive effects on plants and pets by providing them with more easily absorbable hydration. For plants, structured water may enhance nutrient uptake, promote growth, and increase resilience to stressors. When used for pet care, structured water can contribute to better hydration, improved coat health, and overall well-being. To optimize the benefits of structured water for gardening and pet care, consider watering plants or filling pet bowls with structured water regularly. These simple steps can support the vitality of your plants and pets naturally.